ka-haggers, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Samori Agro-Industrial School at mayroon tayong i-interview ng mga matatalinong estudyante dito. So ayan, isa na
lapit na siya.
Ayan, so
Heto na si Miss Adrian Kapangpangan.
isa na si Andrea dito sa pinaka-matalinong estudyante sa Samori Agro-Industrial School. Ayan, is grade 11. So ayan, Adrian, Andrea, so mayroon kaming katanungan. Bukod sa maganda mong face, so ano ang pinakamaganda mong experience dito sa high school o Samori Agro-Industrial School?
I want to say that Samori Agro-Industrial School has very beauty school because it gives me a lot of experience, and also it helped me to improve my study.
Okay. Okay, ano
That's
pa?
all, thank you.
Okay. So, pupunta naman tayo sa ibang estudyante ng mga honor student.
Nina.
Hi, anong pangalan niyo po?
Ako po si Binibini Havani, nakatira sa Barangay Tinambong.
Okay, so mayroon kaming katanungan, Giovanni. So, di ba you're honor student ka? So, mayroon kaming katanungan sa iyo. Of course, masasagot mo ito. So, it's very simple lang itong katanungan. Okay. Ano ang pinaka-favorite na subject mo?
Yung favorite ko po na subject ko ay Pilipino, Math, ito na.
Okay, thank you so much, Jiban. Okay, ito si Mary Jane. Ayan, so interview natin siya. Okay. Okay, so mayroon akong katanungan. Anong pangalan niyo po, madam?
Mary Jane Artist po.
Okay, so you are a young student. I'm sure na matalino ka. So mayroon kaming katanungan. Ay, hindi ba? Okay, ito ang tanong namin sa iyo.
What is the effect of EI and student?
Okay, ulit ang question.
So, as a student, what is the effect to you, the EI or artificial intelligence?
For me, it gives me a positive impact of AI student or artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is more important in our society for those students to find some research, analysis, and to find some guide to get some important details. So as a student, for me, it's important for me. Give me a positive
cultural diversity na ako.
the AI intelligence.
Ako mga cultural
Okay, thank you
diversity.
so much. Hi, ma'am. Anong pangalan nila?
Yes, I am Queen Jerilyn Pahantoy Esther from the grade 11 Yums, Amazonite.
Okay, ma'am. Mayroon kaming katanungan about sa...
About sa papalapit na impromptu. So, here's your question. Hashtag cultural diversity.
Cultural diversity, it's makes our community strong and vibrant. Cultural diversity is differences of our culture. We have not problem for differences of our culture, but the problem is the people who believe that. Example of religion. The people competed the religion, from example, born again and Roman Catholic. The people who believes that is a competing about the eating foods. What do you like that? World is full of brightness, but we heal as one. We all help each other people in the world. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hold on. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Bianca Ramos. I live in Barangay Monbon, the beautiful barangay of 32 Barangay of Tarapag, Monbon. And my habits is playing volleyball, playing badminton, all of the talent in this Samori Agro-Industrial School. And I love music, and I love so much. I think foods, and I was watching TV. That's all.
Okay.
As a student, what kind of problem do you encounter here in science?
The student voice matter. Why? Because I experienced in this Samori Agro-Industrial School about voice matter, because as a part of LGBT community plus, I wearing complete uniform as a gay, as I'm wearing complete uniform in the girls, which means as a gay, I wearing proper uniform, complete uniform in the Samori Agro-Industrial School. Thank you.
Okay.
As
Go.
Um, Hi, good morning. What's your name?
My name is Melmor Sidro Cabral from Barangay Manahaw, the best barangays in 32 barangays.
Yes. So, as a student here in SAIS, what problem do you encounter here?
For me, as students of Samora Agro-Industrial School and a service of 4 years in the school, for me, the common problem is the common problem is the school dress code. Because for me, school dress code is to represent our beautiful school and of course to respect our school. And for me, school dress code is so important when you are outside in our school. Of course, in the person outside, you are commonly identified that you are studying here. So for me, she gives beautiful school, and I think if we have some visitors, we can empower our school, and that's all.
Thank you so much, Melmor.
Hello, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Angelica Banawis. I'm grade 11 Amazon.
Yes. Okay. So, as a student, what kind of problem do you encounter here in SAIS?
The problem I encounter in this school is the climate change now. But I want to know that the climate action now. The earth is getting warmer now, and we need to act now to protect our planet in this school. And so many of us cannot understand how our action could affect our environment because we use a lot of fossil fuels that is cause pollution. And we need to do is we work together as we like one person, like a family in this school, and we need to protect this planet because this planet is our planet.
Thank you so much. Go.
Again, here is your question, Mrs. Jerilyn Pahantoy Estres. Hashtag. Here's your hashtag. Academic pressure.
Life is short. Life has resistance. Accept the fact. When I was in elementary, I am a class valedictorian of our class. That is a beautiful experience that we have. Dawin kami na lang.
So again, Miss Jerilyn Pahantoy is history.
Life is short. Life has resistance. Accept the fact. When I was in elementary, I am a class valedictorian of our batch. That is a beautiful experience that we have. So my parents is expecting in high school. So that I'm so studying so hard, too much.